Alright, so today we go through basic prompt. Now, if you head over to our website where the course is there, it would say basic ChatGPT prompt for HR. Now, what we're doing is we're taking HR as an example. We use that example across the course so we all can follow with one. Now, this can be changed to any industry or any job role that you have. Right? So let's head over to our course material on the website and we follow from there. Alright, so here we are on the page. The first question that we talking the course is what's a prompt. Now let's address what's a prompt, right? So I want to give you the most layman example to be easy and simple to everyone. All right, so most offices have a coffee machine which has buttons like latte, cappuccino, hot milk, or different options. What are these options? These are commands that we send to machine to give us the result. Similarly, a prompt is a question that we would ask to a large language model, which is ChatGPT, Bard, or any of them. Now, the better is a prompt, the better is the answer. So go back to the machine example. Let's say, for example, you have to choose the amount of milk, the amount of coffee, the temperature, and everything. It's not the best option, right? The best option is latte, is pre-configured, it gives you the right stuff. Similarly, we are trying to do this course is try to get a good prompt, a magic prompt, to learn what's prompt, right? And that's the whole idea, so that we ask question which gives more value to this. So if you scroll down this page, it tells how does this prompt help. So for example, recruiting, it can help you save time by giving you information. In the training and department, it can give you training materials and suggestions in a jiffy. Now that depends on how good a prompt is, right? So what we do is we take the basic prompt and let's take an example, right? So let me pick up the first thing. What are the best interview questions for a digital marketing position, right? So I copy that question prompt and I'll type into ChatGPT, right? Now this is a prompt, it's a question. So I would say, give me an answer. So as soon as I click it, it starts typing it. So let's do the same thing. Let's also try Bard and ask the same question on the same format. Right, so it starts generating. Now what ChatGPT has done, it's given me about 13 questions and it's explained every question. So that's a beauty, right? It says, can you explain your experience with paid advertising? Then it says this question assesses their proficiency in setting up and managing and optimizing a campaign. So it gives you a question and it also tells you why this question is given and how this question is going to help in the answer measuring. So if I go back to Bard, it is also giving me some questions, which can be the same number. It's going to give an explanation. Now we can keep moving this forward and say, okay, give me another 10, right? So it does straight away gets to work and it prints out another 10 different questions and the explanation, right? Similarly, if I say, Bard, give me 10 other 10 questions, let's start doing the same thing, start giving out. Now, this is the very basic prompt where we're just trying to get a message out. We understand what's a prompt, right? So the next lesson we'll start learning on a magic prompt. What goes in creating a magic prompt?